English Dashboard Level 1, Evidence AA1 EV004, Presentation Video, by student Lia Salome Sanchez, teacher Julie Andrea Barrett. This is my brother Anthony. He is 52 years old. His birthday is on 11th July. He born in Cerrete in the north of the country. He is a journalist and a teacher in La Sabana University. Also, he works as an editor manager in El Tiempo newspaper. Besides, he is studying a doctor's degree. My brother is a very busy man. However, he likes to read, watch soccer games, and to have fun with his family. In his days off, he goes with his younger daughter to the theater. Also, frequently he shares a meal with his two elder sons and their wives.